Oh shoot, did not see that wave. Woo. Check them out. How many people you know have caught a starfish? That's what I'm talking about. Nice little keeper cabbie. Beautiful fish. Believe what I just, oh, it got off, octopus. And Daniel just caught a nice double. Big ol' fins on him. See you, buddy. I just reeled one up and another one came and hit the bottom hook. I got doubles on a yak. Oh, did the bottom one come off? Nope, they're still on there. Come here. Come here. Oh, double keepers too. Come here. That's what we got that second treble on there for. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, the bottom one's bigger than the top one. Yeah, I saw him eat it. First double on a yak. This one's got like brown on his head. Woo! Chunk. He probably just ate a whole squid. Woo! Alright, see you later. Until they realize they're alive. Yeah, once they get their heads down, they're good. There's a nice linger. I don't know if he's a keeper actually, but check that out. Look at that mouth on it. Linger, baby. Check that out. Look at the eyes on him. The blue mouth. Woo! That's what we're out here for. Just a little longer. Alright, here's the release. Lingerville. Look at that. He's free. Wait, no he's not. There he is. See ya. Daniel with the new species. Yeah, maybe there's a whole school right under us. Beautiful. Another solid, I'm not sure what these are called, but it's all a 2-pounder probably. Oh, I could have kept him. That's a squid? Yeah. Show that baby off. Yeah. Pretty linger. Just snakes right under. Whoa! There we go. Beautiful cabbie. Actually, this one's a keeper. Should I let him go? Right, I'm gonna let him go. Back at it. Grass bass. Look what I caught it off. These things kind of look like snook. They look like snook. See, buddy? Oh, we're videotaping. Look what Daniel just caught. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, we can. Oh my gosh. Daniel, how do you feel? Woo! Hallie, baby! Dude, let's head in. Look at the mouth on that thing. Diamond jig.
Alright, look at this bad boy coming out. Yeah! So stoked! Look at that thing, baby.
Yeah, at least 25, 30.
My first halibut.
Wow.
And it's a keeper, and it's a good one.
Let me see.
Purple cabbie.
Super small, but.
Ow. There you go.
Gulped it. Still can't believe we just got a halibut. Still catching rock cod like every cast. These are solid. Like that's a good eating size right there. Nice 2-pounder. Woo. Coppers for days out here. Looks like the same one I just let go. No. Are you?
Here we go, 23.5-inch linger right there.
First keeper.
Yeah, beauty though.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can try to get him released. Beautiful. I wanted to let him go, but I don't